Another one, maybe. Oh, is that a bass? We got a bass. I think we got a bass. Yep. Ooh. Ooh, she's a chunky girl. Stay on her. Stay on her. Stay on her. Woo. There we go. Chunky girl. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're at a new spot today. We're at a beautiful lake. We're gonna go ahead and try this new spot out real quick and see if we can get some more crappies over here. There goes the lake there. This is just one half of the lake. It wraps around all the way on that backside over there, but we're gonna just fish off this little bridge they got here just to see what they got under here, and then if nothing bites, I'm gonna throw a cast net and catch us some shad so we can hit the spillway over there and see if we can get us some big stripers. I'll catch you guys here in a minute. There goes the spillway. I'm gonna go down there and see if we can get us a bass or something down there. I don't know about you, but this looks really snaky though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, let's see if we can get us something. There's my bucket here. Got some minnows in there, some shad. Went and picked up some minnows earlier. Looks like my shad are already starting to die off. Probably should throw one of those out there pretty quickly. Let's see what's swimming in here. I'm actually gonna change this hook. Went and got me some more hooks today. So we got me the size 4s, size 1. I don't know. Maybe I would need a bigger hook for these stripers. I got some number 6 bait holders for the crappie. Let's see. I think I want to. I think I'm going to try one of these, honestly. There's the first cast. I might need to put a weight on that bobber. It's kind of sitting a little sideways. We'll keep you updated. Fish on, tight lines. Got me one on. What do we got today? Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Woo! First bass of the day. Isn't she pretty?
Dang, she's barely hooked in there. I'm all tangled up in my other line. There we go. We're not gonna weigh her. She probably less than a pound, honestly. All right. I was struggling for the longest time. I actually caught it back there, somewhere back over there, but I couldn't get my camera to start recording, so I couldn't start recording until I was up here. All right, fish on. Catch another one. Little ditch pickle. Yeah, fish on. Think we got some action, maybe. Oh, yeah, we do. Oh, did I get her? No, I didn't. Dang, got off. That whole bobber was underwater. Oh my goodness, look, you got a chunk taken out of it. Oh my goodness, I gotta get back out there. Come on, give me that striper. I can't believe that bobber was completely under like that. I was checking this one because I thought I saw this one move. I looked over and I didn't see my bobber on the water at all. It was just gone. Let me reel this one in real quick while watching the other one too, because I'm waiting for that other one to come in. What's on this line? Nothing? Something was just playing with it then. Dang, I thought something had that. Throw it out there. Give it some time to drift down the current. Come on now. Give me some action. Oh, something's biting. Come on, take it. Take it under. Now you want it. Ooh, something just bit it too. Watching both my bobbers. My other one's over here on the right, sitting right over there. Man, they're biting. They want it. Oh, look, there it goes. There it goes. I'm taking it. Oh, did I get it? No, I didn't set it. Dang. That shad is pretty messed up. Oh. It's under. It's under. I'm gonna yank it. Oh, did I get him? I can't tell. Come on. Did I get him? Did I get him? I think I got him. I got him. She's fighting. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. Another little small. Oh, it's a little catfish. Oh, that's cute. If he had a little more meat on his bones, I might say I'd keep him, but this one's a little tiny catfish. Come on now. I hate that catfish jaws, they're so tough. I'll try to switch to my other hand. There we go. Alright, there we go. Nice little catfish. You want to be sure you're very careful with catfish because at the end of these fins here, there's these spines. And they will stab right through your skin. Watch, you can listen to it. Alright, fish on. Get on out of here. My bobber's bouncing over there. I think it's something nibbling at it. Might be another catfish. They don't normally strike their fish, they normally play with it first before they make sure their food is dead before they eat it. Because they're just bottom feeders. Alright guys, I'll keep you updated. One of these bobbers goes off, I'll try to push that play button. Dang, my bobber just went under. I should have set the hook and then pushed record. Dang it. I don't know if anything's still on there or not. Oh yes. Come on. Come on, girl. I know you want to be reeled in. Come on. Come on, girl. Ooh, she's a fighter. Alright. It's not a bad looking fish. Another one for the books. Go ahead and let her go. Just make sure you watch those fins. Beautiful catfish. Woo! Took off. Let's go. Keep you guys updated. Oh, I'm getting took. Something just took it under and then they let it go. It's probably another catfish, honestly. Come on, take it back. I know you want it. There we go. Oh, come on. Oh, they still got it. They still got it. I think they still got it. Maybe. They're swimming straight towards me. Unless, no. Come on now. Playing with me. No. Oh, snap. There we go. Come on, take it. Come on, take it. Take it. Take it back. Take it back. There they go. Oh, did I take it? No, they took it off. Dang it. I was just trying to fix my line real quick on my other rod. It's okay. I got something for him. You know what? I'm going to throw one of these dead ones on there for now just to make it swim a little bit. Imagine something will bite it. So I can get it out of my bucket. I don't want dead stuff in my bucket. Something will bite it. Watch. Just you watch. There we go. Did you get off? Take it off? Nope. They're coming towards me. Come on, what do we got? What do we got? Ooh, nice little catfish. Another one. Oh, I'm recording myself. Dang it. That sucks. I was recording myself the whole time. That sucks. Nice catfish. Go ahead and throw her back. Whoop. Dang. There we go. Another one for the books. Go ahead and get some more lines out there. Another one, maybe. Oh, is that a bass? We got a bass. I think we got a bass. Yep. Woo! Woo! She's a chunky girl. Stay on her. Stay on her. Stay on her. Woo! There we go. Chunky girl. Open that mouth. Open that mouth. She doesn't want to open that mouth. Open that mouth. Let me see where I got you. Oh, it's in there, huh? She almost swallowed the whole hook. It's alright, I can get it out. See, the trick behind this is you go in behind the gills like this, and then you can go in from the top or from the side and then get the hook out easier, and then look, it just popped right out. Boop. There we go. What does this little chunky monkey weigh? Probably nothing, honestly. Does that say a 0? What are we sitting at? Woo! 1 pound, 1 ounces. 1 pound, 1 ounces. All right, sweet. I mean, it's just fun to fish for them. Go ahead and let this grow back. Oh, my other bobber. Oh, okay, it's still out there. I was about to say my other bobber's gone. Nice fish. I think we might have got a bite over there. Oh, yep, there we go. Come on. Oh, they let it go. Come on, take it back. Take it back. Yep, there we go. There we go. Oh, did I set it? No. And they took my bait. They took my shad. That looked like a big one. They were messing with it. Let's see if we can just set this real quick. I don't think I got any more of those big shad. I got one here. Let's see. Oh, my line went off. No, I lost that one too. Oh, come on. 2 lines out the water. They took both of them. They're biting though, that's good. They're biting though. That's all we need is somebody to bite. Just somebody to bite. I need to make sure I hook these guys to where whenever I pull it out of their face, it still hooks them in the cheek. I'm gonna chuck this one out here. But my line's looking like it's getting a little backlash, but it's alright, we're about to fix that. Huh. Oh, nope, I made it worse. Let's see if we can fix it real quick. Okay. That guy's out there. I'm gonna turn my back. Oh, I just seen a big striper come over the end of that. Oh, I can't even turn my back. Look. Look, there it goes. Oh, come on, take it. I'm trying to put a bait on this other hook to get it out there at least. I can't even turn my back for 2 seconds. Okay. I think this is a bad idea to set this down. saw a huge striper come off the end, come sliding down that. Man, I don't even want to turn my back. Okay, let's see. Set this down. I'm still looking. There's my hook. Okay. And my hook. Is this a shad? Yes, it is. It's a little baby shad, but it'll work. Set that there. Oh, my line again. Come on. Dang, there's no weight to these, so I can't really launch them over there. I'm trying to launch them closer to the spillway there. Maybe it'll entice something else to bite. I'm gonna cast this one straight ahead because I don't like the lines being split, because then I'm looking both ways every 2 seconds and I come home at the end of the day with the neck cramp. That's good enough. Oh, there we go. Oh, somebody had it. Oh, come on. They had it for a minute. Oh, this one too. The struggles of working 2 lines. Set this one back down. I need to get this one back out there. I don't know if they took my, they did, they took my bait. Dang, these guys are sneaky. I'm gonna use the minnow. They keep taking my bait. Alright, let's use a minnow. Actually, I'm gonna use this bit dead shad. Dang, my line's gone. Oh, it was gone. I missed it. Dang it. Let's try and put this other line out. Oh, there it goes again. No, they took it. Oh, no, they didn't. They didn't take it. Oh, get back out there. Catch me a fish. Come on, Chad, do good. Oh, I just realized this other shad's just been chilling in the water down here. I'm gonna check this kind of out there like so. I can hardly see that bobber, honestly. It's right over there. It's kind of hard to see, honestly. It's directly in front of the sun. Oh, that one's gone. Ugh, come on. Dang, these guys are good. These guys are good. They're taking every single one of these. Okay. It's alright. We got a whole lake. I can go catch shad for days. Alright, let's get back out there. Oh, got one on. I don't know what it is. Oh, it feels heavy. I see my bobber. Oh, this one feels heavy. Oh, it's just a catfish. Man, they're fighters. Just catfish all day long. These girls aren't giving up. Don't you squeak at me. You're the one that bit my line. It's a beautiful girl. Oh, I don't know what I got on. What is she? Oh, she's fighting. I don't know what she is, but she's fighting. Another cat. Dang it, these hooks. There we go. Another beautiful girl. Let's see. Why not? Let's see what she is. She's zeroed out. There she goes. Hey, look, 1 pound. Not a bad fish. Fish on! Fish on! What we got? Ooh, she's fighting. Ooh, another catfish. Man, the catfish have been destroying the minnows, bro. I don't know, bro. These catfish, they're tearing it up. I don't keep them unless they're over 1 pound. Even though there's no limit, you know? 1.1? Yeah, I think so too. They're not like, as aggressive as they were. Oop, I got 2 bites on right now. Ugh. No way. That one came off? Yeah, that one came off. Let's get that back out there. Ooh. I got some hooks if you want to try some of these minnows out. I mean, they'll bite, you know. Yeah, that 4 pound bass I caught 2 weeks ago, I caught it on a little tiny crappie jig, bro. On a 6 pound test line. I thought I was gonna snap my pole. It was like completely bent like this, bro. And right there, it's like sloped in there, real steep, kind of like this. And so I was trying to like pull it up onto the bank, so I couldn't get it up far enough without like risking snapping my line or breaking my rod. And so I just like stuck my foot in the water and I shoved my hand in its mouth. And I just yanked it out the water, bro. I was like, I'm not losing this bass. I was like, I'm not losing this bass, bro. But it's me holding the bass. Ah, that one got off. Ah, I just got one. Come on, take it back. You want it? I know you want it. Take it back. There goes another one. Oh. Took the hook and, oh no, the hook's still there. Dang, bro. I think I'm gonna try, yeah, I think I'm gonna try the dorsal fin because, woo. Come on, fighter. What do you got? What do you got? Woo! It's a good pound. I'm gonna say 1.4. What do you think? Sorry, didn't film an outro, but That's how we ended the night. Let's go.